When you are using computer trading, you will get up in the morning and the first thing you do is to see what you earned during that night. Only a few would not consider this a dream scenario. Hi, my name is John. Please close the door and turn off your phone, for this will be the most innovative trading system you will ever see. The most predictable trading system in the world comes from computer trading. It's Wall Street's secret advantage. Computer trading is used by big banks because it makes more money than professional traders do. Just 10 years ago there were more than 3,000 professional traders on Wall Street. Today there are fewer than 500. Computer trading is invisible to most of us, which is why they have now come to dominate the stock market. More than 84% of all stocks and currencies in the US are now traded via computer, and the rest of the world has come in handy. I will show you how you can make 10 to 30% profit in as little as 10 days using computer trading. That's 1 to 3 years worth of average profits from owning stocks in a little over a week. It is almost impossible to believe that you can make 3 years of stock profit in just 10 days. The facts are: the software and strategy are already developed. I and many of my traders are making profits as you are watching this, without lifting a finger. The software trades like humans. My strategy is programmed into the software as if it were me doing the trading. Therefore, anyone who uses the software will also be able to trade like me. The results are undeniable, as you will see in these 5 small investments. 12% profit in just 5 days and 14 hours. How long will it take you to make 12% profit? We never know, but 5 days are really fast, right? The next trade made me 14% profit in 5 days and 18 hours. The third had 38% profit in just 9 days and 11 hours. The next 2 trades had a profit of 31% and 15%. In a little more than 9 days. How is it possible? All profit comes from an automatic buying and selling strategy done by a computer. On the right side, you see the profit in percentages that the software makes on average each day. I earn 2.5% in profit every day on my first trade. That's more than the banks pay in a year. The next trade made me 2.8% profit a day. Look at this, 4.2% profit a day for 9 days, and a total of 38% profit. The last 2 were consistently making 3.4% and 1.7% profit a day, for almost 10 days. My 5 small investments made me 22% profit in just 9 days. Now let's be honest. These claims are bold, and for most people, they might seem impossible. Considering all the scams out there, it can be difficult to believe such opportunities exist. Today, I am putting my entire multi-million-dollar trading reputation and 20 years of helping tens of thousands of traders all over the world on the line. As you'll see, this computer program has found a way to turn price movement and volatility into real profits. Markets have one thing in common: the price never stands still, it always moves. Nasdaq rose on average 7.5% a year over the last 30 years. Despite this, the price moves every millisecond from the morning to the afternoon, and each price movement yields a profit. Financial managers generally tell us to buy stocks and wait 10 to 30 years before selling. Maybe you can collect a tiny gain of 8 to 10% per year, and that's before taxes and inflation that have probably eaten away most of those profits. At the same time, the banks and financial institutions are doing the exact opposite. It is ridiculous but true. They are buying and selling millions of stocks each second, and profit from market movements. The average stock in America is only owned for 22 seconds before being resold by a computer, according to the Wall Street Journal. Without any trading experience, anyone can make a 10, 20, or 30% profit in a matter of 10 days. And continue to do so by using my computer trading strategy. As you see in the yellow box, the software has been buying and selling 9,211 times in 26 days. That's 354 trades every day. From that, it generated 1% profit a day or 26% total. The next one, the software has traded 6,968 times. From that work, it generated a profit of 1.3% a day. On the third, the software has traded 2,701 times in 30 days and generated 2.6% profit a day or 78% profit in just a month. In the last one, the software has traded 1,711 times and it generated almost 1.6% profit a day. All the profits come from 20,591 trades or close to 700 trades a day, each of them with a small profit. The software does what big banks are doing, profiting from market movement. Over the past few decades, computer science has become increasingly prevalent in finance and economics. Top financial firms and banks are relying on computers to deliver results by taking advantage of small price changes to make huge profits. This trading technique became groundbreaking in the early years of this decade by a hedge fund that hired astrophysicists, mathematicians, and statisticians to devise computer trading programs. Computer trading is where all the money is made, says William Donaldson, former head of the New York Stock Exchange. Computer trading takes place behind the scenes. They trade without emotion and are highly profitable and can cost millions of dollars to develop. Imagine owning a computer program that automatically buys when the price falls and resells when the price rises over the buying price, and generates a micro profit every time, without you lifting a finger. These profits add up quickly, coming from hundreds of trades each day on every small investment from $500. Here is the reality of my day. While I do other things, my computer trading strategy works and makes me money. The earnings come from real micro purchases and resales, which are done completely automatically via technology that transforms my trading strategy into real-time buying and selling. The trading program makes money and virtually never makes mistakes. It does not take breaks, holidays, or sick days. It even works for you when your computer is off, when you travel or sleep. It trades without emotion, listening to no false tips or rumors, no matter if the market is up or down, or if the world is in crisis. It just does the job it has been programmed to do. Instead of trying to read the market, my strategy will buy when the price falls a bit, and then resell when the price rises a bit above my buying price. This earns me a small profit every time, and this can happen hundreds of times a day, without my active involvement. I guarantee that you have never tried anything like this, and the best part is, whoever uses it would make a real passive income. My strategy has been thoroughly tested since 2018, and with over 7 million trades, it must be said that it has passed. Here you see real trade from the computer trading software. Green dots indicate whenever the computer trading automatically buys. It only happens when the price drops slightly. The red dots indicate whenever the software resells after the price rises a bit above the buying price, including fees. Therefore, all profits can be spent. In addition to being a brilliant way to make small profits, this method is fully automated, without errors or mistakes. The best part is that the risk is low and profits are delivered instantly to your account, sometimes hundreds of times a day. The profit from buying and selling is real profit and you cannot lose it again. Let me show you some trades and how fast profit can be earned. Here you see a profit of 81% in 30 days. I am close to doubling my money in 1 month. The profit comes from trading 2,715 times. This has generated a profit of $1,600 or 50 cents a trade. There is nothing stopping you from getting the same. Here you see a profit of 26% in 5 days and 23 hours. That's over 5% gain a day. The profit comes from trading 6,937 times. This has generated a profit of $845 or 12 cents a trade. I did not even spend 1 minute on it after clicking the trading button. Here you see a profit of 40% in 30 days. The profit comes from trading 7,529 times. This has generated a profit of $1,193 or 15 cents a trade. I am using a step-by-step trading strategy to pick and select my investment. After starting my automatic computer trading, I am still 100% in control. If I change my mind, I can stop the program from buying and selling at any time. It might cost me a few dollars in fees, and on other times I can make a few dollars as the software had bought and sold a few times before I closed it. Here you see a profit of 21% in 3 days and 11 hours, or 7% a day. The profit comes from trading 3,821 times. This has generated a profit of $631 or 16 cents a trade. This trade generated the same profit in just 1 day that many traders get in a whole year. My size of the investment can be from $500, but as you see, each investment has different results, therefore it is better to have 10 small investments than 1 big investment. So why don't all investors use computer trading? Everyone would do it if they could, but they cannot because banks and brokers are greedy. Every time you trade, the fees are too high to profit from small price movements. Private investors paid up to 40 times more to trade. The big Wall Street banks have a secret advantage when it comes to computer trading, which allows them to buy and sell stocks at a very low cost. That is why more than 84% of stocks in currency on Wall Street are bought and sold via computer approximately every 22 seconds. They have created an exclusive club that enables them to use computer trading technology, while excluding everyone else from doing the same. The high fees prevent traders from benefiting from computer trading in every market where banks or brokers are needed. The financial establishment simply cut everyone out of this opportunity, as it is too profitable to share. But not all is bad news. In a moment you will see how you too can profit from automatic computer trading. In the end, big banks do not care what they buy. They sell it again on average in 22 seconds, and they can buy and sell millions of stocks hundreds of times a day. This is the way a computer trading program makes money. When using an automatic trading program, what matters is your trading cost and how fast you buy and sell. A short trading period involves less risk than trades that run over a longer period. Price patterns are always more predictable when the investment period is short, thus reducing the risk of loss and increasing earning potential. An automated trading program is a subset of algorithmic trading that creates buy and sell orders automatically and submits the orders to an exchange. But because banks dominate the financial market, there is only one place where private traders can benefit from automated computer trading and make money doing so. This is because it costs 40 times less in fees per trade than a standard exchange where you need a bank or broker. The benefits of automatic buying and selling at crypto exchanges are enormous. Banks are obviously not supporters of crypto, since all their privileges of high trading fees and control have disappeared. Banks and private equity funds must work on the same terms as you and me. Trading crypto takes place directly on the exchange, not through banks or intermediaries. Crypto also has a remarkable price movement, which makes the auto trading program very profitable, because the more the price moves, the more profit the software generates. Crypto exchanges are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year, making them even more appealing. Because it's possible for the trading program to buy and sell automatically around the clock all year. Imagine having a trading program that works for you around the clock, without doing anything. There are a lot of scams in the world and also in crypto trading, with fake robots and fake brokers. It is critical to understand that the whole point of cryptocurrency is that you do not need a bank, a broker, or any other middleman. You can avoid almost all scams by realizing that you trade directly on a cryptocurrency exchange. Your money and account are directly on the exchange. The biggest exchange has 20 million account holders and keeps nearly 99% of its users' digital assets in offline cold storage. Most people buy and hold their cryptocurrency. I personally own cryptocurrency and I can leave them to my kids or grandchildren if I want. The fact is, I do not make any money from my cryptocurrency unless I am selling them, like stocks or gold. Using an automated trading program makes me money all the time from buying and selling, a real profit that I can pay bills or fund my lifestyle. If I buy and sell tens of thousands of times, I still have my cryptocurrency investment intact, but I also have a profit from buying and selling that I can spend on nice things. I found out that this is a fantastic way to get money to work. It is the real deal, as your money literally will work for you by buying and selling hundreds of times a day. Cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, is built on the blockchain, which can remove the need for a third party or intermediaries, thereby reducing the counterparty risks. As a result, it can significantly reduce costs. Bitcoin has grown by an average of 200% per year. Automatic buying and selling offer a huge profit opportunity. So not only has Bitcoin been good to own, but the return from buying and selling has been fantastic. Cutting fees by up to 40 times a trade is a real hidden opportunity to make a profit with very low risk. Let's look at some of the results you get from using automatic trading software. We come into the trade after 6 minutes. The software has been bought and sold my selected cryptocurrency 16 times, with a total profit of $59. If I closed my investment now, I would make a bit more. This is because the price value of my cryptocurrency is a bit up, and this gives me another $68. A total profit of $127. See the figures at the top left. Let's find out how much I can earn by using automatic selling and buying software. After 1 hour, the software has 84 trades. You can see it in the bottom right corner with a yellow line. The profit increased from $59 to $377. If I close my investment but keep my cryptocurrency, I have earned $377. If I close my investment and also sell my cryptocurrency, I will make $1,423 because the price went up. But then I will not have any cryptocurrency that the software can sell and buy. Let's continue and see what it does. As you might notice, the price of my cryptocurrency moves up and down like stocks, gold, or any other financial investments. The big difference is that my computer trading strategy keeps making me more and more profit from buying and selling. I cannot lose the profit I generated from every sale or purchase, it keeps growing. But the value of my investment, whether it is cryptocurrency, stocks, gold, will always move up or down, and you never make a profit before you sell it. The computer trading strategy generates a money-making system to my investment. My profit after 19 hours and 29 minutes is $6,091, generated by the software buying and selling. All fees are deducted, and I get paid every time a trade is completed. That is 1,158 times. My $6,091 could increase if I sell my cryptocurrency. At any time, I can transfer my profit to my bank account and as many times as I like. A cryptocurrency exchange account is similar to having a bank account online. There are no restrictions, your money is safe and only you have access to your account. The total profit amount is not relevant as the investment capital is different from person to person and the value of the cryptocurrency can fluctuate up and down. But the plus 15% profit from buying and selling is the real difference. 15% of any investment size in less than 24 hours is big. No other system can provide you with an income like this. Here you see every trade, when the software did buy and sell, the price, fees, and the profit. This added up to a total of $6,091 after all cost is paid, in just 19 hours and 29 minutes. All of the over 1,100 trades are accounted for, it is all 100% transparent, with date, time, and everything. On the right side, you see my accumulated profit adding up. Every trade has a risk, also computer trading. If the price of your cryptocurrency falls, you might not make as much profit, and in some cases, you will lose a bit of money if you sell out of the cryptocurrency. It is the same as you invest in stocks or speculate in other currency. The profit from automatic buying and selling can also help reduce losses, giving the investment a lower risk. The only way you can lose your investment is if the currency value falls to zero and never recovers. If you follow my guide and strategy, you will add many safety and protection to your investment. You only trade selected cryptocurrency. It might take 10 to 15 minutes preparation before you begin each automatic computer trading. Since 2018 and with 7 million trades behind me, I have always made a profit each month on my total investments, and you get all of my setups, strategy, preparation guide and every step-by-step you need. All this allow you to make a profit. The strategy and computer trading have already generated millions of dollars in trading profit for our team and customers. The cryptocurrency you invest in, you own it until you sell it, like you would buy pounds, dollars, euros, or any other currency. My investment in cryptocurrency gives me a return from buying and selling, is like having a property where I receive rent from my tenants, and should the property price fall, I still get the same rental income. If the property price rises, I still get the same rent. The property price is only important when I choose to sell the property, and the same applies to my crypto investment. The software has a mechanism that prevents pumps and dumps or any other big rise or fall. The strategy only buys and sells in a normal price environment. Any unusual behavior and the software will stop buying and selling until the normal price development returns. When I invest in a cryptocurrency, the money is not used at the current price. It is distributed according to a strategy. It is like a fishing net that has been thrown out and catches every price movement in selected areas, and the strategy ensures that all fees and costs are covered by the correct calculation. This is very important because when the price moves, the strategy also forms new buy and sell orders. But there is nothing you need to do, it is all done for you. You get all the information, strategies, and setup. You will trade like me. You first practice on a demo account, not because it is difficult, but because it provides security. In my online training videos, you will learn everything you need to know, and my support team can help if you have any questions. They are experts, as they have been using the strategy and software since 2018. Using automatic trading software is addictive. The experience of watching your profit grow minute by minute without doing anything cannot be described, it must be experienced. I guarantee that the software will make profits from automatic buying and selling, or you get all your money back. Just send me the buying and selling results, no questions asked. It's the most convenient, easiest, and most efficient way to trade, regardless of your experience. After 7 million automatic trades, we are so confident that you have absolutely zero risk. Just use our money-back guarantee. No need for a super fast computer, no downloads, technical experience, and all videos are in your own language. If you don't have any trading experience? No worries, every trade is automatic. Everything with money takes place on your account at the biggest exchange in the world. Your trade, profit, fees, everything happened at the exchange. No one has access to your account. You are the only person that can transfer or withdraw your money, and you can do it at any time 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You are also the only person that can begin and stop your computer trading. You are 100% in control all the time. You do not need any broker, bank, or middleman. You set up my strategy and click the start button and the computer goes to work. Now you do nothing at all. You just watch as your money makes money. Computer trading is a simple way to get your money to work for you, every minute of the day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. I look forward to welcome you to our member page.